Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this good-ass solar power bank. It's a 42,800 milliamp hour unit. I have the orange. Part number is going to be PNW33. I think it says it's 158 watt hours, if I'm not mistaken. So the lightning for the iPhone charger, lightning output cable is about 5 volts, 2.4 amps. USB-C output is going to be 5 volts, 3 amps max. USB-A is going to be 5 volts, 2.1 amps. I'll give you guys a second to look at all that. This video is sponsored, just want to let you guys know. We're just going to go ahead and take a look at this. So you can actually get this on Amazon for about $51.98. This is this model. This video is going to be uploaded around December 25th, 2024. So I just want to say Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, however you want to say it, to everybody who is watching this. Yeah, we're going to be taking a look at this today. The only thing we're probably going to plug into it is my little iPhone I've got here. My phone's obviously charging or recording. I obviously can't use that. So yeah, we got the orange. Here is the unit itself. I think it does come with a charging cable. It looks like it actually has a flashlight built in. It's a solar bank with 4 cables. It's got a hanging ring, a thermometer, solar panel. Obviously, it does have solar. It's got infrared laser, LED light. So you have like a flashlight too. This would be really good for traveling or hiking. That way you can keep your stuff charged pretty much at all times, especially like a tracking device to make sure you're not gonna get lost. Pretty heavy. It comes with a little carabiner. You obviously got the Type-C cable to charge it. It's a basic cable, nothing special. Oh, okay, this thing's pretty neat. There's the solar panel. I was kind of expecting it to look a little different, but I mean, so here's the power button. Oh, well, it's got a flashlight. Hold it off, turn it off. Then you got a little indicator here showing you the battery life. This is a little hanger if you want to do that. It's got a compass. Oh wait, this is a temperature. Yeah, that's about right. It's about 65 degrees in here. A little close to 70. As you can see, it's got a little temperature thing, which is actually kind of sick. What else is on here? You got a USB cable that comes off this. I'd assume you can use this to charge stuff. I don't really know what I'd plug it into to test that. Okay, in. Yeah, you charge it using this right here. A little rubber piece. You charge it out in, so you can plug it in here as well. And then you got a USB port if you want to plug something in that doesn't have the cable that you need, which I think it's gonna, because it's got 2 USB-C and then 1 USB Lightning. So basically, to get the cable, all you have to do is just pull up on it. All right, so I went ahead and had my SO pull this out because I don't got nails and she does. So, all right, let's just test charging. I'm assuming the solar panel only supports up to a certain amount of wattage. I'm pretty sure the iPhone's fully charged, so I don't know how well this is gonna work. Short press button to turn on SOS mode. Oh, it's got a laser. I forgot about that. Look at that. It's literally got a laser. Mess with my cats with that. Oh, yep, SOS mode. That's kind of cool, actually, if you need that for sitting on the side of the road, let people know you're there. Place the solar panels facing in direct sunlight. The sunlight will convert it into electricity charged power bank. The solar charging performance will be more effective under strong light. When the solar panel works, the green indicator is on. Well, so can you cheat? Okay, so I don't think it'll 100% work, but if you actually look at it, I've got the flashlight on it. I mean, wouldn't this just be unlimited electricity? Did I just break the matrix? Probably not. I don't think this would actually fully charge it, and it's fully charged anyway, so this is a better test because there's no sunlight outside. It's the middle of December, so it's just not going to happen, but this is a really good test to show you that the solar actually works. You just do that, and then it's charging. Take it off, boop, and it's charging again. So that is good to know that works. It says, when the power bank's temperature exceeds 50 degrees, please stop using solar energy to charge the power bank. Well, the phone is charging, I can tell you that, because as you can see, it's at 89%. Keep away from moisture and corrosive substances. Do not use chemicals to clean the product. When the product is not used for a long time, please charge it every 6 months. It says, do not use the product in high temperature environment, 45 degrees Celsius or anything higher. Do not disassemble or modify the product. Right. Very bright. Yeah, so that'll work. Like, if your power goes out, and it's sunny out for whatever reason, your power goes out, you need something to charge your devices, this is the device. This is something I would highly recommend. This thing is pretty sweet. It's also rugged. As you can see, it's got rubber on the side, so if you drop it, it's probably going to be okay. One thing I would do is keep an eye on stuff like this, because this one actually kind of looks like it's expanding a little bit, but I bet you it's just a solar panel because they just stuck it on and it's wired in. But okay, I found the actual product link. So it's actually about 40 bucks, which just honestly makes it even better. I think 40 bucks for this thing is pretty reasonable. It's not on sale or anything. You can get a 10% off coupon if you want to do that at the time of the recording of this video. It is a 15-watt fast charging power bank. If this is not the correct one, I do apologize. I will correct it in the comments below and then put the correct link in the description. I just need them to send me the link for the correct product because I'm getting mixed signals here. Good power bank, portable charger. It's about 42,800 milliamp hours. Got a built-in 4 cables and a thermometer. 4 cables would be USB, 2C, and then 1 Lightning. And then you've obviously got up here where you can plug in your own devices, such as charging it through Type-C, or you can just use a little USB charging. It's obviously got the strobe, flashings. It's got a carabiner, so you can connect it to your backpack. But yeah, it's about 40 bucks on Amazon as of December 24th, 2024. I do want to say happy holidays to everybody. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos on stuff like this. I can probably work something out. This thing is pretty cool. I think I want to get a thumbnail real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one, and peace out, and happy holidays.